In this video, I will show how to type Euro symbol with your keyboard. So very simple and easy way. Press Alt and 0128. Alt plus 0128. So using this shortcut, you can type this Euro symbol. If you have numeric keypad on your keyboard, so turn on and press Alt plus 0128. I will show you. Like this. And guys, if you not have numeric keypad option on your keyboard, some laptop has not a different part for numbers. So turn on function key on keyboard and you will see numbers on your keyboard. So this is the way, guys, you can type Euro symbol using shortcut. Thanks for watching.